Hello, King-Chavez friends. Today we're going to learn about the brain. But first, can you point where in your body your brain is? All around your head, really well protected. Let me tell you a story. A long time ago, when I was very little, my mom signed me up for these drawing classes. I was so excited because I thought I was really good at drawing. So in the first class, the teacher started drawing this super cool and complicated animal design on the board. And then I started doing it on my desk and I couldn't get it just right. So I started to crumble my paper and throwing pencils to the floor. And I was frustrated. I even wanted to leave the class and even say mean things to the teacher. Has this ever happened to you? Well, it's quite normal and even happens to adults. And it's because our brain works. You see, our brains are so awesome that it's always keeping us safe and protected, seeing if there's danger around us. I have this book that I wanted to share with you, and it says, "It's all in your brain." I used to read this book with my son when he was young. We will look at these pages and check the brains from the inside. The blue part here is called the amygdala, and the darker yellow part is the cortex. These are the two parts that I want you to remember today. There's also another picture here from the inside of the brain. These two parts of the brain, the amygdala and the cortex, sometimes it's hard to remember those names. But I want you to remember what those two parts do. So I have two friends that are going to help us today. First is my guardian dog. Some of you have seen this puppy in the counseling office. The guardian dog is the amygdala. Did you hear that? Amygdala. The amygdala is always sniffing around and looking that everything is okay and there's no danger around us. But sometimes you get tricked. You start barking and going crazy when there's no real danger around. Like my brain was when my teacher was drawing on the board and I couldn't get it just right. My barking dog started running the show. That is the amygdala. The other part of the brain was right here, and we're going to remember it by thinking of a wise owl. The wise owl helps us think, learn, being kind and calm. When the barking dog goes like crazy, the wise owl flies away. And he is running the show. When the barking dog runs the show, we can't really learn. We can't really think, and usually we're not very kind. So these two parts of the brain live inside our heads all the time. We want to keep the barking dog or the guardian dog calm, right, doggy? So our wise owl helps us learn and be kind. Okay, yes. So you want to be calm and the owl can help you be kind and calm? Mm-hmm. I have this song, so it's a made-up song. So let's see. Can you sing it with me? Let's see first if you remember what the owl function was in the brain. That's right. The owl part of your brain helps you think and learn, problem solve, be kind, and kind. So the song goes like this. Owl in the brain, hoo hoo hoo. Owl in the brain, hoo hoo hoo. Owl in the brain, hoo hoo hoo. Who are you? You wanna sing it with me? You're gonna say, ready? Owl in the brain, owl in the brain, owl in the brain. Who are you? And then there's another song. You're gonna go like this. Show me your big owl eyes. And we're gonna say, calming down. Owl in the tree, calming down. Owl in the tree, calming down. Owl in the tree, calming down. Calming down. But this owl is inside our brains. So we're gonna say, owl in the brain. Owl in the brain, calming down. Owl in the brain, calming down. Owl in the brain, calming down. Calming down. So Mr. Puppy here is gonna be calm down. So our wise brain can stay. Okay, friends, so I hope you remember these two parts of the brain. Our guardian dog that keeps us safe and alerts us, but sometimes tricks us. And our wise owl that helps us learn and be calm and kind. Bye, puppy. Bye, owl. See you in another video.